Hey my loves, today we are making some simple fried fish and salad. Nothing too difficult, straight to the point, easy little lunch, dinner, what have you, recipe. And I think you're gonna like it. It's pretty light, okay? So this is how we're gonna do it. So these are our ingredients, my loves. But before anything, my loves, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, okay? And don't forget to press that notification bell for weekly updates on all of my recipes. And please hit that like button. And don't forget to share, let everybody know about Jackie's cooking. So my loves, these are our beautiful ingredients. I have a nice fillet of whiting. You could use any fish that you want, okay? This is what I had, okay? So make sure that it's clean, all right? And we have some lettuce. This is for our salad. We have some spinach. I love spinach. Love it, love it, love it. All right, we have some shredded carrot. And we have some tomato, okay? Straight to the point recipe. All right, now for our condiments to season our fish. I have some Tony's chercheries here. I have some chili powder. I have some garlic powder. And I have some Italian seasoning. And I have some honey mustard dressing. If you don't have this, you can use simple honey and mustard, okay? And this is optional. I have some cornmeal here, but that's optional. Okay, and of course we're gonna need some oil to fry our fish, okay? So straight to the point, let's get to it. All right, guys, this is the part that I thought I recorded, but what you're gonna do, you are going to brush each side of your fish with the honey mustard, okay? And then you're gonna mix all your dry ingredients together and sprinkle them on each side. I am so sorry, guys. I thought it was recorded, but obviously it wasn't. Okay, you're gonna let that marinate for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And this option here with the cornmeal, like I said, is optional. You don't have to do it. But I'm putting some straight up cornmeal on it. Fine cornmeal. Okay, because I wanted a little bit of that crunch. But it wasn't really necessary, okay? So we're just coating each of the sides here with some fine cornmeal. And my loves, the ingredients are listed in the description box below. Okay, make sure you drench it well. Coat the sides very well with that cornmeal. And like I said, guys, this is simple, straight to the point, as you can see. All right, so now we got our pan here with some oil on some nice medium-high heat. And we're just frying it. And for a fish like this, it's like usually 1.5 minutes on each side, as you can see, okay? And this was for some lunch I had. You know, you could have this for dinner. And I wanted something really quick, straight to the point. And it's really satisfying. And due to certain health changes in my life, I am eating healthier. I'm still going to be cooking those other foods because, of course, I have a husband now. Okay, but foods like this, I'm going to start incorporating more light cooking in my on my channel as well for people who are on the healthier side. So I'm flipping it over. Okay. Okay, and we're going to get that other side nice and golden brown. Okay, a fish fillet like this, like I said, you could use any fish. If you want to use flounder, any type of fish that you have for this, and whatever seasonings you could have in your pantry as well. So now we're taking the fish off. It's already cooked, and we're gonna let it rest while we work on our quick little salad here. All right, so all my lettuce and stuff is washed. I'm just ripping up this iceberg lettuce with my hands. Okay, cutting up some tomatoes. Okay, now we're gonna add our spinach. I love spinach, you hear me? Okay, and if you want with this salad too, now we're adding some shredded carrot. If you want to, you can add some nuts to this. You can add some cranberries to this. And now we're going to give this a quick, simple little toss. Okay, and at this point, if you want, you could add, I usually like to drizzle my dressing on. Okay, but for those of you that love a lot of dressing, knock yourself out. Okay, so now we're just going to plate this. Okay, gotta make it look cute, presentable. Okay, and we're going to put our fish on our lettuce bed with our spinach as well. Okay, and there you go, just like that. And what I'm going to do, I am taking a little bit of like a honey mustard vinaigrette, and I am going to drizzle some of that on my fish. As you can see, just a little bit of drizzle. Okay, and there you go. This is our fish, simple fish, fried fish and salad recipe. I hope you enjoyed this, my loves, and eat, love, and pray.